how to create REDnote account. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's teach you how you can easily create a REDnote account. So as you can see right now, we're currently in REDnote and some people might be confused on how to create an account in REDnote because there is no sign up button over here. Now, all you need to do actually is just going to click on the login over here or even the other login methods, which will just allow you to easily log into your account. Now over here at the center, it will prompt you to log in with a number, or you could also log in with your Facebook or Google account. Depends on your preferences. But if you're going to go with the number or mobile number, make sure that you select the proper area code over here. If you search by a letter over here, you might not find your specific address or your specific country code. So what I would recommend that you guys do is to read through over here on the right side the specific number code and just look for your area's number code in this area. After that, after ensuring that you have selected that, a PIN number or an OTP will be sent to you and simply enter that OTP in the login page and then you will be able to easily create your account in REDnote. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.